Have you ever stared into the eyes of a living tank? Welcome to Padre Wildlife TV. Meet the rhinoceros, a prehistoric powerhouse. A creature forged in the fires of time. Weighing over 2 tons, wrapped in armor-like skin. And armed with a horn that can crush bone and bend steel. But don't be fooled. This beast is not the villain of the savannah. It's the misunderstood hero of the wild. Our story begins in the golden plains of Africa. Under the blazing sun. Lions lurk in the shadows, poachers stalk with greed. A young black rhino named Shujaa, which means warrior in Swahili, is born. From his first breath, Shujaa faces danger. He's a fighter. And the land itself challenges every step he takes. But Shujaa is no ordinary rhino. By his 3rd year, he's already survived a drought, a crocodile ambush, and the loss of his mother to poachers. Left alone, hornless, wounded, he could have given up. But something ancient stirs within him. The same spirit that kept rhinos alive since the Ice Age. He rises. Years pass. Shujaa grows into a giant, his horn regrown, his scars turn to badges. Other animals begin to notice. Elephants give way. Hyenas don't dare follow. Even the birds sing when he walks by. He's no longer prey. He's legend. But one day, the sound of a helicopter shatters the sky. Poachers, again. This time, Shujaa doesn't run. He charges, not out of rage, but for survival. He barrels through the dust, a wall of muscle and fury. The poachers drop their gear and flee. For now, he wins. But this battle isn't his alone. Every year, hundreds of rhinos are slaughtered for their horns, carved into trinkets. Sold on black markets, believed to hold magic. But the only magic lies in the rhino's soul. And in our hands. Shujaa is still out there, alive, defiant, a living symbol of strength, endurance, and wild beauty. And while his story is real, his survival depends on us. So, what will you do? Will you be a voice for the voiceless? A protector of giants? Because the next chapter of Shujaa's journey is in your hands. Subscribe for more wild stories. Hit that bell to explore nature's most incredible creatures. This is more than a video. This is a movement.